Hello spinner, you're on Penstock channel about pen spinning. My name is Alex Lantz, and today I will show you a variation of a nice smooth variation of background pen spinning trick. Yeah, just like that. Mirrored Raimo Bak, a variation of Raimo Bak, which is a variation of a Bak or Korean Bak, a variation of a background pen spinning trick. As simple as it is. And I have tutorials for all of these tricks on my channel, all links will be in the description under this video. So the trick looks like this: you make such an round over 3 and land mode in 1-2. And this round goes kinda like ring back reverse, but differs from it in a strange way, just as the name says. We mirror Raimo Bak, and things in mirrors are not completely identical to real ones. So you start with charge reversed into 3, palm down with the bigger part of pen mod from outer hand side, and when bigger part goes on top of fingers and short one begins to pass over 2, bend it and pinky also and keep them low. You need to make mod like climb above fingers, just like in shadow trick, and let it turn over 3 from behind. At first you can catch it in 3-4, that will be just fine, but not for long. In the first step your main goal is to catch it between 2, 3 and 4. 3 is above a mod, the rest are below. This turning will come pretty naturally if you raise ring a little bit and keep 2 and 4 low, especially if you use a professionally pre-made pen mod, one of those which you can get from the best pen spinning shop out there with the delivery all over the world, penstock.at. So you start like you would with shadow trick by throwing pen mod on top of fingers, lower 2 and 4 and raise 3 to let pen mod go over it. Practice the motion for a while till you can do it more or less confidently, and after that, okay, I'll give you some time to practice. And after that, you can continue trying to catch pen mod like this, between 4 fingers. For that, when short part of your pen mod passes 1 and 2, you raise index finger together with ring, while still keeping 2 and 4 low. If it helps, you can connect 1 and 3. Also, try to let pen mod go a little bit further under index, because as soon as you will be able to make it go all the way under the index finger, you can begin to catch it just in 1-2, with most of weight going away from ring finger, and that's gonna be the trick itself. So, mod goes all the way around ring finger, under it, then goes under index finger and lands in 1-2. And in the next video, spinners, I will show you a really cool mini combo which includes both Raimo Bak and Mirrored Raimo Bak. It will help you to practice them, and in total looks really good. Just like that. That's the mini combo I am talking about. So till the next time, may the style be with you. Bye.